Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss multiple choice questions and correct answer of class 12 geography test 1. Question number 1. Which of the following is a subfield of economic geography? The options are military geography, historical geography, geography of agriculture and geography of leisure. The correct answer is geography of agriculture. Question number 2. The most important factor in the interaction between people and environment is, the options are human intelligence, technology, people's perception, human brotherhood, and the correct answer is technology. Question number 3. Who gave the concept of stop and go determinism? And we all know the correct answer, and it is Griffith Taylor. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a subfield of social geography? Medical geography, historical geography, cultural geography. All three are subfield of social geography. So the correct answer is military geography. Question number 5. Which school of thought is mainly concerned with social well-being of people? The options are radical, behavioral, welfare and possibilism. The correct answer is welfare school of thought. Which of the following is not an approach of human geography? Here, areal differentiation, spatial organization and exploration and description, all three are approaches of human geography. So the correct answer will be quantitative revolution. Question number 7. The continent that has the highest growth rate of population? The options are Africa, South America, Asia and North America. The growth rate of Africa is 2.6% as per Demographic Yearbook 2004-5, whereas that of South America is 1.4%, Asia is also 1.4% and North America is 1.1%. So the correct answer will be Africa. Question number 8. Which of the following is not an area of sparse population? Atacama, equatorial region and polar region, all the three regions are area of sparse population. So the correct answer will be Southeast Asia. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a push factor? Water shortage, unemployment and epidemics, all are push factor. So better medical facility is not a push factor, and the correct answer is better medical facilities. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a pull factor? Employment opportunities, medical facilities, educational facilities, all these three are example of pull factor. So the correct answer will be water shortage. Question number 11. The country having lowest growth rate of population. The options are Norway, Germany, Estonia and Latvia. Latvia's growth rate is minus 1.5%, which is lowest as per Demographic Yearbook 2009-10. So the correct answer is Latvia. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a component of population change? Birth rate, death rate and migration. These three are components of population change. So the correct answer here is sex ratio. Sex ratio is not a component of population change. Question number 13. Which state of India have highest population density? The population density of Bihar is 1,1. 1106 persons per square kilometer. As per Census of India 2011, and the correct answer is here Bihar. Question number 14. Which state has lowest sex ratio? We all know the answer is Haryana. Question number 15. First complete census of India was conducted in which year? 1872, 1881, 1885, 1891. Correct answer is 1881. How many scheduled languages are there in our constitution? In our constitution there are 22 scheduled languages. Question number 17. What is the annual growth rate of India as per census 2011? The correct answer is 1.64%. Question number 18. A worker is known as main worker who works at least more than 183 days. Question number 19. What are the causes of migration? Push factor, pull factors, both or none. There are the causes of migration can be classified into two broad categories, push factors and pull factors. So the correct answer here will be both. Question number 20. Which one of the following state of India receives maximum number of immigrants? The answer is Maharashtra. Question 21. Which one of the following is the main reason for male migration in India? Main reason for male migration in India is employment. Which one of the following stream is dominated by male migrant in India? Rural to urban stream is dominated by male migrant in India. Question 23. Which one of the following urban agglomeration has the highest share of in-migrants population? Mumbai urban agglomeration, New Delhi urban agglomeration, Bangalore or Chennai? The correct answer is Mumbai urban agglomeration. Question 24. What are the main reasons behind female migration in India? And we all know that the main reason behind female migration in India is marriage. Question 25. The state having highest literacy rate in India, it is Kerala. Question 26. What is the full form of UNDP? The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Programme. Question number 27. Name the country having highest Human Development Index. The HDI value of Norway is 0.943, which is highest as per UNDP Human Development Report 2011. Question 28. Human development is always negative, always positive, both or none of the above. Human development is always positive. If it is not positive, then it is not human development. Question 29. Brundtland Commission's report is Our Common Future. Question number 30 and last. Which agency is responsible for preparation and publishing the list of human development report of the world's countries? WHO, UNESCO, UNICEF or UNDP? The correct answer is UNDP. That's all for today. Thank you.